Hi mga ka-groovy and mga ka-mamshis, good morning! Ayan, it's February 20 and I came across with a certain very easy sandwich recipe which is called Monte Cristo. Samahan nyo kung i-prepare ito ngayong umaga. At since maagang aalis ang husband ko because meron siyang early morning meeting, ayan, Saturday early morning meeting, gagawin ko siya ng healthy breakfast. Okay, samahan nyo ako. At ayun, niready ko na yung mga gagamitin nating ingredients. Sige, see you in a while. And if you would like to know more about this Monte Cristo sandwich, just keep on watching. And if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please do subscribe, like, share, comment down below. Okay, so see you. So mga mamshis, for our ingredients, we'll be needing sandwich bread, sliced sandwich bread, sweet ham, or any ham na gusto nyong gamitin, no, will do. Then 3 eggs, we have butter, we have mayonnaise, we have there yung cheese boy na that's a combination of cheddar cheese and mozzarella cheese. I only bought that for 123 pesos sa Pure Gold. And then we have here this kind of lettuce. I think this is romaine lettuce. This is green ice lettuce. And we have cucumber, pepino, and pineapple tidbits, tomatoes, and dito may lettuce din tayo dito. Okay? So, yan guys. Yan yung ating mga ingredients. Siyempre, salt and pepper to taste na lang. Okay? So, yun. Yeah. Let's do it. And let's get it on. Mga ka-groovy, mga ka-mamshis, we have to clean and sanitize first our hands. Siyempre, yan. Before we prepare the food, we have to make sure that our hands are clean, sanitized. Clean and sanitized. Okay? And then, I'm also doing my laundry 35 more minutes ago. So, we still have plenty of time to prepare the breakfast. And we're ready to... So, here mga ka-groovy, we're gonna start off with our ham. So, i-fry lang natin siya. Okay? Prepare lang muna natin itong ano na to, later. Then, isi-set aside ko muna itong bread. Okay, in a bowl, we're gonna whisk or beat the eggs. Prepare tayo ng eggs. So, we're gonna beat the eggs first, mga ka-groovy. Okay, in a bowl, you have to beat the eggs first. Because later you see this is very important, no, sa ano natin. This is one ingredient na important sa ating recipe na napaka-simple, napakadaling gawin. Okay, ayan. Wash lang ng hands lang. So, ganyan. Every time, I touch eggs or prepare eggs, after breaking the eggs, I wash my hands. So, and then, maglalagay tayo ng a little, salt. And a little bit of pepper. Ano yan, nagaan na rin ako ng konting pepper lang. Dash. Konting ano lang ng pepper. Yan, konti lang. Okay. And then, yan. Kakabahin. Ano yung ating paminta. So, yan. Naka-ready na to. May option tayo to put milk, pero ako, I don't like to put milk on it. So, yung iba naglalagay ng milk, ako hindi na. Just this, lang, egg lang. Okay. Optional naman yung paglagay ng gatas, kung gusto nyo. Alright. So, ready natin yan. And then, you just have to, I'm using this Pampangas Best. This is 91 pesos and it has 225 grams na. So, nasaw ko na to. I bought this frozen last night. So, nasaw ko na siya. Yan. Since this is easy to prepare, I'm just gonna prepare muna good for 2 sa aming mag-asawa. Mamaya na for my children. Wait, I'll have to drain lang yung water. So, there you go. Drain it. Okay. So then, as I was saying, mamaya i-prepare ko yung for my children. There you go. Cover your nose, cover your mouth, by sneezing. Okay, there you go. So, yan. Okay. So, that's the butter. Butter. Tayo ay luluto ng ham. Hangin na natin siya. So, what we're going to prepare our sandwich. Okay, ma'am, she's a magkagubi. Prepare na natin yung sandwich natin. Okay. So, dito, kailangan natin ng mayonnaise. There you go. Spread nyo lang siya. This is just very easy. Make sure na meron lahat ng covered yung lahat ng surface. Yun yung aming aso siguro. Natakulan niya yung aso sa kabila. And then I'm gonna put this the ham. Lagay tayo ng ham. Okay. So ham. Then ham again here. Okay. Then I'm gonna put the cheese. Kasi this is a para talagang bread na cheesy sandwich yan. So, huwag kayong mahihiya na na maglagay. Okay. Huwag kayong maging matipid masyado. So, put a generous amount of the cheese. So, this is, I'm sure masarap to kasi may mozzarella siya. Nasa sa inyo na rin yun kung gusto nyo cheddar lang or sliced cheese lang pwede. Basta may cheese. Okay? Kasi isa sa main ingredients yan. Apart from the ham, mayo, and syempre, cheese yung all-star natin dyan, ingredient. So, there. And then, optional na lang if you'd like to put, what's this? Konting, yeah. Yung nilalagay ko ngayon ay pickles. Okay. Yung reddish, pickle reddish. This optional. Alright. Kaya ko nga pala kinuha ang sweet ham kasi ang ang Monte Cristo is like di meron siyang sweetness. So, yun. So, ayan. So, lagyan natin. So, all we have to do is, patong nyo lang to. Make it like a triple decker, like that, sandwich. Grabe, for sure, masarap lalabas talaga to. And then, patong nyo na yung main And then, good and ready to fry this in the butter mamaya dun sa pan. Okay? So, I'll show you later. So, gawin natin yung isa pa. So, this is just a quick preparation. There you go mga ka-groovy. Ready na to. For, quick lang to. Quick frying lang to. Okay? Good to go. So, ito na mga ka-groovy. So, na natin. Didip natin siya dito sa sa egg. Alright? Dito sa yung binit nating egg. Okay? You have to carefully. Yes. Alam nyo, kasi itong sandwich na to, it's like parang French toast din. So, there. Oh, nasa inyo na rin kung gusto nyo anuhan yung side. What I'm gonna do is just, dapat malinis ang kamay nyo, ha? Siyempre. So, ayan. So, pinrepare ko na siya. Okay. Don't let it soak too much. So, ayan guys. Na-soak ko na yan. Okay. Transfer ko lang siya sa malinis na. Then, the other one. There you go. Ganun lang din. Oh my gosh. Okay. Ayan. So, yun naman ka-groovy. Ilalagay na natin tong sandwich. Yes. Dahan-dahan lang. Oh my God. Dumudula siya sa kamay ko. So, low heat lang tayo. Low flame. And then, sa low flame lang tayo. Then, we have to yan. I-ano lang natin siya. I-fry. Not fry really. Parang, yeah, lulutuin mo lang yung ano natin, yung ating, lulutuin mo lang yung ating, yan, just maging brown lang yung ating sandwich, okay? So, you can also press this para what others would press this. Okay. So, there you go, mga katuloy. Then, pwede na natin siyang i-turn. Okay. Oh, there you go. That's very good. Oh, sarap. Nice, nice. Perfect. So, just have to do it on the other side. Siguro, mga ano lang yan. Mga ginawa ko for at least mga ano lang yan. 2 minutes max would do on each side. Butter. Put the other one. Careful. Good. It's good. Dahan-dahan lang. Then flip it over. Okay. So actually, medyo kulang pa. Okay. Let's make it kanina na katulad ng kanina. Medyo tinaasan ko lang ng flame. Ayan. Give it like a minute or 2. Yep. And then later on, naman, we're gonna prepare naman the salad. Ano ko ulit tong kabila. Tawag dito. Ito toast ko pa yung kabila. Okay. Ooh, dahan-dahan. There. That's perfect. Yan. So, nakita nyo talagang yung naluto yung egg, no? So, at this point in time, you could lower down the flame pa. Yan. Para hindi na siya sobrang ma-toast. Yung isa din naman, that is good also. Okay? Basta iwasan nyo din siyang masyadong, masunog. Dito I'm just making sure na maging ganito lang din yung finish nitong sa kabila. Yes, mga kamamshis, ito na yung inihintay natin. Okay. Check natin. Yan. Ooh. Wow. Wow. mozzarella. Yum, yum. And then the other one, set aside muna natin to. Oof. There. Oh. Oh. Wow. Alright. Yes. So, Monte Cristo. So, pakintayin nyo lang yung ating plating later, okay? Hi again mga ka-groovy! Yes, finally, ito na ang ating Monte Cristo sandwich. Ayan. Optional ang salad, pwede ring chips, no? On the side, depende sa mood nyo since it's breakfast today. So, ayan, para healthy, nag-prepare ako ng tuna tuna salad. Okay, so yan. Simpleng salad lang. And there you go. Yan, mga mamshi. So, pwedeng nyo itong gawin. Prepare sa inyong family. Lalo na si husband, no? Yan, perfect to start the day. Itong ganitong healthy breakfast meal. Diba? Okay. So, yan. Try natin. Tikman na natin. Siyempre, sa nakikita ko na talagang napakasarap naman daw nitong to. So, there you go. Tikman natin. Masarap siya. And, siyempre, French toast. It's like French toast. Nakita niyo yung pagkakatoast sa ilalim. Ganyan lang yung tamang toast, okay? Sarap. Siya? Gawin nyo na to mga kamanchis, mga ka-groovy. Perfect na perfect for breakfast, snacks, or merienda, midnight snack, Depende sa inyo at napakadaling gawin. Okay? So, kain tayo. Yum. And you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please subscribe, like this video, share, comment down below. Yan. And then, I'll see you on my next vlog. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you all. Bye-bye.